Morning, everybody. It's raining outside, so it's inside training day. Start off with the left leg, which means left hand lead. I gotta adjust it a little bit because right here is where my insulin pump is connected in my leg, so the genes are pulling on that part. So and then that way it won't be pulling my infusion site out. Okay. Once you have your balance, hold your stance, both hands up, left hand. Left hand lead. I promise this is harder than it looks. Especially for me and my left arm. Oh. Okay. See, the whole idea is to hold this stretch, keep your balance, and be able to keep your hands up and hit. Now the right leg, which means right hand lead. No canola here, so it's comfortable. Give it a little stretch. This teaches balance, speed, timing, and position. Okay. Since I'm doing a video of this, I'm going to do the left leg again. and then the right. It's also getting towards that weather, cold and damp, where old guys like me get stiff. So it's a good time to, okay, remember the canal is on this side. So infusion site, that's what you would call it. See the left doesn't have what the right has. But considering I broke my scapula in 2 places 11 months ago and broke 4 ribs on this side, I'm not doing too bad. And considering my left arm has been disabled for pretty much 20 years, since 2005. I'm not doing too bad on that either. Always remember, if you're falling apart, don't give up. Never give up, never give in. Just rebuild, grow stronger. We were made to fall apart and rebuild and grow stronger. If you're wondering why I'm grunting, I'm still feeling some of that sciatica pain, but it's going away. Fight through your pain. Don't give up. And like I said, this exercise is a lot more difficult than it looks. It's hard to keep your balance, and it's hard to stay focused on the bag and keep your timing and your speed. It also helps you keep position though, and you get a good stretch. Now, being as old as I am, right now I'm feeling it in my knees mostly. But watch the kick. Left leg kicks are getting better too. So we're getting there. Have a nice day, everybody.